10 by 42.
The man from Knox.
Look, my notepad called many bodies. Screenshots saw plenty problems. Voice notes bagged plenty hotties. Can't just talk to me like anybody. Can't just talk to me like anybody. Man, you bitches know that I'm a somebody. And little baby bad, she got a John body. Bunch of feelings I just couldn't shake. Disrespect that I just shouldn't take. You just couldn't see the good in Drake. 4 months, not a long time, but you for somebody you just couldn't wait. You broke my heart, you broke my heart.
If you just believe.
Yeah. I put careers on shelves like Amazon distribution center. Hell, really hate to call on Broski for the dirty work. I'd rather do it by myself. Clack, clack, clack. My tour route and leave a lazy nigga dizzy. Got more tracks than when the hair salon is busy. Flow for days like that river, Mississippi. Freaky nigga like I sing with Pretty Ricky. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Got the ad lips and smiggy nails done, but my trigger finger itchy. Clutching on the blicky shit is getting tricky. People love to diss me. I hear every single thing, man. I'm all ears like I took the fan of Disney. Guess that's one way to tell me that you miss me.
Don't go.
Yeah. You broke my heart. I had my doubts about you from the start. Push to the edge like Bird. On Instagram digging up dirt. You wanna smoke with me first. Well, this one gon'. Yeah. This one gon' hurt. Down bad boys, sad boys. I've been representing since birth. Yeah, I was down bad about you, but I'm about to have you down worse. I swear you're dead to me. Does Mercedes make her hers? Matter of fact, everybody in this bitch scream out for my ex. Yeah, for my ex. 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 Middle fingers up for my ex. About to turn this bitch for my ex. For my ex. I should drop a name for my ex. Drop a couple names for my ex. Since you want some fame for my ex. Pussy niggas that you're turning up with. In a whip clowning on me, bitch. For my ex. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. For my ex. I can't let it go. For my ex. Ain't back a bitch. For my ex. If you ain't did this shit, you would've popped up. You would've said shit. You would've posted shit. I know your ass too well. For my ex. For my ex. Lying to my face. Thought you would've shown a little grace. How can I expect someone who never had their own place to know their damn place? Treating me like I'm dumb or something, like you're running something, like they drop you on your head when you was one of some. For my ex. Hey, hey, yo, 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 yo. For my ex. Yeah, right, right, right.